This is our Osbsidian F3. It's a 3-inch drone with a max speed of more than 180 km/h. It's properly designed and calibrated for stable flight. That makes it suitable for cinematic and freestyle. Now, we are going to test it with no video stabilization. Try to look out for small vibration. The key point about this drone is it is small, smaller than standard 5-inch, but yet it performs as well as most 5-inch. Why flight stability is important? Because a stable flight will give a better, smoother, stabilized video after post-production. No matter the range, speed, flight time, or flight stability, I heard more than once where some amateur builder would say 3 just can't compare to 5-inch in high wind condition. It's not helpful enough, etc. etc. Because they say those things have superficial understanding about drones. Physics, motor, and the number of other factors determine flight stability. This in fact is one of our go-to drones we use when we fly overseas. Because of its size, it can be easily transported. With little issue, with the ability to perform much like a 5-inch with a mounted camera, this is a great travel drone to have.